Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to find your Swift code for Chase Mobile. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Chase website if you haven't already, right here, chase.com. And once you have done so, you're going to go and be greeted by the home page. If you're on your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Chase mobile application and open it up. So the first thing we need to do is log in. So if you find it easier, you can go ahead and create your account on the PC version right here, and you need an account to go ahead and log in and find your Swift code. So what you're going to do is create an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just log in normally. So once you're logged in, you're going to go and be greeted by the home page of the Chase mobile application. That's going to look something like this. This is going to be your home page from where we can get started accessing everything we need in the Chase mobile application. As you can see right here at the bottom of the screen, we have our home section, paying, planning, and so on. And now we can get started. So here we have the article on chase.com showing us how we can get started with finding the Swift code for our Chase bank. So basically it's very easy. What we need to do is just use this basic Swift code right here that you can see that is usable in every Chase bank. However, Chase uses different Swift codes for different types of banking services. If you need to find a secondary Swift code that you want to use for that banking service that you really want to use, the unique service, then you can go ahead and check in with the recipient or with the bank directly. But there is also a way, as you can see, you can find your Swift code on your statements or in your online banking, as you can see right here is one of the answers. So basically, once you go ahead and open up your online banking and you take a look at your statements and all your payments that you have made, you're going to go and be able to find your Swift code directly right there that you can then use for the different payments that you need it for. But basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.